Onshape by PTC is the leading cloud-native CAD and PDM software that eliminates the need for installations, updates, or downloads. This makes Onshape a zero IT solution, ensuring you can focus on design, not maintenance, not compatibility, or crashes. And with Onshape Government, staying compliant is easier than ever. That's because Onshape Government equips companies with the tools they need to achieve ITAR and/or EAR compliance. It's implemented in alignment with NIST standards and has FIPS-approved encryption. Onshape Government helps customers easily manage their controlled, unclassified information in accordance with regulations because it runs in AWS GovCloud, the industry standard for secure cloud hosting for U.S. government agencies and contractors. Unlike traditional desktop CAD software, which places the burden of many regulatory responsibilities on the customer, Onshape Government helps ensure that you stay compliant with less hassle. With the Onshape Analytics dashboard, you have unprecedented visibility into the flow of design activity through your teams. So build complex parametric parts, assemblies, and production-ready drawings together as a team. Take advantage of Onshape's built-in PDM, and with synchronous access to the data, workloads can be divided. Each team member can contribute in real time, enabling projects to be completed faster than ever while maintaining full control over your company's CUI. Onshape Government. Design better, collaborate smarter, and innovate faster.